好，今天匆匆忙忙赶到那个新房那边去，因为今天我们买的那个冰箱啊，还有洗碗机要来了，所以呢要去那接一下，他们要送货。然后呢要儿子去接一下那个货。我呢待会马上就有一个预约去看医生，因为最近呢老是有点这种小咳嗽，咳了有2-3个月了。今天想去看一看，我以前也是一旦有了咳嗽就会好长时间，好几个月都不好。这次莫名其妙的又开始咳嗽，也没有感冒，不知道怎么回事。我有点担心是不是因为装修，我老在那个屋里待着，然后对我这里有刺激。但是我觉得就是咳嗽比较深，它不在喉咙这儿，感觉在这个比较深的地方，有点到这个肺部了。我去检查一下这个肺有没有问题。现在到了这个医生的诊所了，今天人好多呀，在这里等着排队，等着护士来叫我。人挺多的，等了1个多小时，终于这个护士把我叫进来了。现在在这个待诊室，刚才护士给我量了一下血压、血氧，然后体温，然后现在在等医生。而且今天给我临时换了一个医生，不是我自己的家庭医生，我也不知道怎么回事。他们昨天还专门给我打电话让我戴口罩，所以我戴了口罩，因为我有点咳嗽嘛，就耐心等着吧。刚才那个医生来看了，我那个医生啊，他太忙了，所以他的助手来帮我看的，因为我这个病况比较简单嘛。刚才那个医生啊，给我用听诊器啊量了半天，他说我的那个肺啊什么的都没什么问题，他说有可能是我的胃酸太高，因为之前我做那个胃镜的时候，那个医生说我的胃酸有点高，所以这个医生认为有可能是这个胃酸有点反流，然后有时候会导致刺激啊咳嗽。我这个咳嗽也不知道怎么回事，就是过几年会犯一次，然后一咳就是几个月，然后有时候他自己突然就消失了，所以我也没有太当回事。但这一次呢时间挺长的，得有3个月了吧，所以我就来看一下，看看怎么样。只要我的肺没问题，就应该没什么大碍。然后让我去拍了一个 X 光，现在过来等结果。我又回到了这个诊室里边，又在这等着。好了，现在我从医生的诊所出来了，刚才那个医生来了，看了我的 X 光的那个结果，他说没什么问题，然后可能说是那个胃酸的问题，所以他建议我去买一种非处方的药来把这个胃酸啊降低一下。然后呢，他又建议我再预约一下那个医生，所以我又预约了一下我的那个医生，4月份的时候再看一下他。好，现在我去新房那看看那个送洗衣机和洗碗机的怎么样了。就是这种药叫 Pepcid， 就是来减少这个胃里的胃酸的，就让我去买了它。好了，回来了，儿子再把那个纸板放到那个可回收的那个桶里。对，今天可以把这个垃圾桶拉出去了，对吧？对，可以。对，因为明天来收垃圾，所以我们今天提前把这个垃圾准备好，放到那个门口。现在进去看看那个冰箱怎么样了。好了，这个冰箱送过来了，3星的，这个冰箱还是不错的哈。我记得是1800美元还是多少钱买的，非常大，这个空间很大。这个用起来比较爽啊，这么大的冰箱。这个是冰柜，有2层。洗碗机呢？洗碗机还没装，这个洗碗机送过来了，但是呢，它是缺一个什么东西啊，所以今天装不了。就这个地方，他们这里都要求有个出风口，叫 air gap， 我们没装，可能老牛以为是他们厂家给装，然后他们是要求我们自己先装上，所以我们给搞差了。
And so nobody told me that they needed that certain thing. They needed an air gap. So now I have to go buy an air gap, put it in, and then they can come back and install it. It's my experience. You have to keep making sure people will do their job.
Yes，就是今天装那个洗碗机没装成，就是因为少了那个出风口，所以呢，现在已经是几点了 ？What time is it?
7.
7. 现在已经7点钟了，然后老牛下班了，我们去 Home Depot 去买一下那个东西，然后去装一下，然后再叫他们来安装，因为我们已经付过安装费了。但是之前他们没告诉我说你必须要先装好那个东西。好了，到了 Home Depot 了，下了一点点小雨啊。You want this?
But we don't have the space for it.
啊，这挺好的，这个又能放工具。哇，2000，好贵啊！
I need one like this that I could do on the other side.
Uh-huh.
Or I can make it go up like this, straight up.
Yeah,
That works too.
but you bought two already.
Yeah, but they don't fit. They're too big. So
Oh,
I have to buy another one.
I'm sorry.
So-
这不放一个手指的架子，买了3次了，都没有买到合适的。那个叫
I
Air
need
Gap，
stainless steel.
13块4毛8来着。
Stainless steel? That's gold.
Oh, that's cool.
That's what they need.
11块9毛6。I like this one best. Is that
Which one
too
do you
wide?
like? This one?
Yeah.
This is, yeah, it's definitely wider than that one.
Oh. Did you measure it?
Well, I can see it.
Like this one?
Yeah.
Turn like a 90 degree.
Yeah.
Put this in.
Yeah.
Is that stable? You know?
Yeah, that was more stable though.
That one, huh?
Yeah.
That one can do that too.
Yeah, totally.
Okay. We buy that one then.
All right, so we needed one that says Sunday. Where's Sunday? Sundae. There's Sunday.
This one. 24.98.
Yeah. So we need 2 of them.
Okay. 今天主要就是买了这2个东西，买了2个那个放手指的架子，再买了一个那个洗碗机用的那个 Air Gap。现在回家了，现在去新房了，看能不能把那个东西装上，这样明后天他们就可以来把洗碗机装了。还要买厨房纸。This one？
Also.
这是12卷的，19块9毛8。一个是 hand soap。
Yeah.
买这个吧，我们习惯用这种的，5块7毛8。So you can buy this one instead of that one. How many?
Get 3.
Doesn't matter which color.
No, doesn't matter what color. And then get some something to refill.
This?
Yeah, that one. Yes, refill it. Yeah.
Just one?
Yep.
这个再可以重新灌进去，这个是9块3毛8。好了，走了。买了一个毛巾干，待会看看怎么样。现在把那个 Air Gap 装上。
Right.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm wondering if.
就把这个管子从这塞到上面，然后在上面给它盖上就可以了。得这样下去塞。啊？ OK， 最紧了已经。OK。
Under the sink. Yeah, that's good.
Is that right?
Yeah.
OK。好了，装好了，在洗碗机就可以弄了。
Every time you're screwing, this stuff is falling in my face.
Oh. The dust?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Now they can put this fucking thing in here.
Yeah. 35.
35 5/8.
现在他要把这个炉子调整一下，调整一下这个炉子的高度。Goes up a bit.
Go up about a half inch.
Okay.
It's not going up. Why not?
旋了半天没有升高，这是怎么搞的？差不多
See the
取下
bottom.
来。
Not this. This.
哦。
A little bit more.
现在他把这个炉子的这个把手给装上。
This is hard. We can't see it.
Yeah. Does it work?
Yeah. It's getting there.
把这边挤上就可以了。等，看这个把手也装好了。
You have to put these, attach them to the wall.
哦。
All right, so we have to use this 18-inch towel bar because 24 inches is too close.
Okay.
Okay. We put it over like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Put one here.
Yeah.
And then one up here.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Good.
That's plenty of room for 2 towels.
Yeah. 这个卫生间有点拥挤，只能是那么放了，那2个毛巾架，就那么搁着吧。
We don't need 2.
Yeah.
Put one 24-inch one right there. You put a towel there and there.
Yeah. So here.
So here, I think we put a 24-inch right here. So you got plenty of room.
Yeah. Yeah. Here or here? I think here.
You want it up higher?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit higher. Better.
All right, and then what about here? Do you need a
Yeah. Put a
towel ring?
Yeah. Towel ring.
And how about a towel ring for the other bathrooms?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 2 towel rings.
Yes. 就是放一个擦手的毛巾，这个。